Hey everybody, this is Nace Taylor with South Fork Farms. Finally got the season going here on 15th of December 2025. Could have probably started, uh, I think the 22nd of November, but we had a couple of craft fairs we had to get done. I didn't have time to get the woods ready, but everything's tapped. I'll be hauling sap in and got this rolling, and it's getting off to a good start. It still froze up, but tomorrow the sap really ought to be flowing, and it's looking good. So I might have a little bit of a break between now and Christmas before the uh, before we get another freeze. But it's I love it. You just keep the vacuum on till the buds pop out, and you can keep the taps flowing. So you all have a blessed day and a Merry Christmas. Sorry it's been so long since I've posted, but I got to clean up a video from the Kentucky State Fair where we were on the cooking stage, and I got to it's pretty interesting. If it hadn't been for my beautiful bride and a couple of the fair workers to help, I would have never pulled it off by myself. But anyway, that'll be coming, and you all take care.